Drum roll, please. Cookie! Cookie! Cookie, 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 cookie. Cookie! Hey people, sorry it's been so long since I made a video. I've had a lot of stuff on my mind. Whoa, it just got bright in here! Sorry about that. Okay, so like I said, I had a lot of stuff on my mind lately. There was this. This. Look at that. I walk in and this is what I see. This is what happens. Her foot is in the sink. She's washing her feet in the sink. Hold on.
Honey, look at your hair in the mirror.
What's wrong with my hair? Oh.
I kid. I think it was fetching on you.
You guys know that I used to have really curly hair as a child. And for all of you who are wondering where it went, it's really humid out. This is where it goes. Like, look at that. I had very curly hair as a child. Here's a picture. Okay, that's it. And this. People, guess what? Oh my god! And of course, with that came this. Got 7 names here and a hat. Okay. We got Kelly Cornell. We got Isabel Rodriguez. We got Michael Tereshuk. We got Cheyenne, my sister. We got Andrea Padilla. And we got Jose. Yeah. Finally, Mitchell. Yeah. Who's going? So you know I'm not cheating, I'm looking up. Okay. Got my person. Who will be going with me to the Bon Jovi concert? Miss Isabel Rodriguez, you and I, July 27th, Bon Jovi concert. Oh yeah, this too.
I was trying to do something very difficult, and I thought it was funny somewhat. Want to say hi, Kitty? Kitty? Oh, you can't say yeah, but can't they? We would go on there until you broke it. Smelly? No, no. Right there. You see him? Right there. Yeah. Look at the kitty. Hey, right here. Hey, sweetie. Okay, we need to find Simon. Look at how. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. He's a lobster. It's Wonder Woman.
Normal, I swear.